On?
We're on, baby.
We're on. All right. We're off to Matsuri. Well, good evening everyone and welcome back to the vlog. My name is Locke, and if you're enjoying the content, please consider subscribing. 6:20 at the moment, and we are just crossing through the city to get to the racetrack. So it's still about another hour or so away, but we've hit a lot of traffic and it's not good. We're definitely going to be setting up in the dark and in the rain. It has been pouring down. It's kind of starting to ease a little bit now. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to Matsuri vlog 2022. And we're going to get this show on the road. So probably not going to be able to film for a little bit until we set up camp. So I'll show you the camp a little later if there's enough light for it. But if not, I will see you tomorrow. All right, it's a bit hard to see. I do apologize, but pretty late. It took a while to set up camp, and I've got the car pretty much parked on the track. So I've got the back seats down, got the sleeping bag out, but it's pretty good. Check it out. Pretty roomy in here if you ask me. Okay, and then you can see up there is the track. So out there is the track. It's a bit hard to see at night, but yeah, so that's going to be nice to wake up to in the morning, and yeah, we'll try and get a good night's sleep. So I'll see you boys tomorrow for a bit of drifting. have left the racetrack. We're heading home right now. We're still about half an hour, 45 minutes away, but I tell you what, I am absolutely buggered. I'm so tired. I did not have a good sleep at all again. I mean, the cars were going till about 10 p.m. and then sleeping in the back of the WRX again was still quite uncomfortable. I sort of had the room, it's just I didn't have enough like mattress underneath me, so kind of messed up my back a little, and I'm pretty friggin' tired and sore. But overall, it was actually quite a good little weekend. Went really fast. I swear I didn't get to film much after the drifting, so I kind of just like chilled out for a bit and had dinner, and yeah, it was pretty tired. And I had a bit of a splitting headache after we finished the drifting, so didn't get to do much filming there. But you know, overall, it was actually a real fun weekend. And yeah, it was good to hop in a few cars and get around the track a bit. And I tell you what, I can see why a lot of people are addicted to it, because it is very fun. It's very exhilarating and a bit expensive, that's for sure. There was a few cars that hit the walls, and I tell you what, not good at all. A bit of money to repair those. But yeah, we're just pretty much going to go home, unpack. The car is absolutely filthy from all the dust and crap that's been ripped off the track, so we're going to wash the car a little bit, unpack everything, then probably just going to have a snooze and finish off the Sunday with maybe a little bit of a date night with Alicia. So pretty damn tired, boys, but yeah, I'll talk to you back when I get home.